Hello students, now I'm going to show you how to install Python. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website right here. This one actually has the latest release and all the old release of Python. So go to your window browser and just type Python over here. Python and hit enter, and that's going to take you to this page. Click on this and you're going to see downloads right here. Go on to downloads, and there you go. You're going to see this get standalone installer for Python 3.14. So right now I have 3.14. That's the one I have right now, but when you install, let's say in the future, you may have a different version, a newer version. So let's click on this, and depending on your internet speed, it's going to take few minutes. Oh, look at that, it was fast. So this goes into your download directly. So double click on that or single click depending on your setting of your computer, and this is the screen you are going to receive. Okay, then after this then after this download is complete, make sure you select this box, add Python exe to path. This is important. Make sure you select this path. Also select this one too. So select both of these options. So in my case, I already have Python installed. So in this case, I'm getting this screen. In case if you do not have Python installed, your screen may look a little bit different, but basically you have to select these two boxes. So I select these two boxes, and then you say install now. Click on install now, and just wait for it. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this to make changes to your device? So it's asking you that message. Did you wanted this app to make changes to your device? And you say yes. Answer is yes. And just wait. And it's still installing. Wait. Okay, so now after your Python has been successfully installed, you'll see a message like this: setup was successful. All right, so after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow these steps right here. So you can click on the online tutorial to explore. So if you want, you can actually come back over here and you have this online tutorial. You can click on this to explore further, or you can just close it. In my case, I'm just closing it. Now let's verify that the Python has been installed. So open up your command prompt. So come over here, type cmd over here, cmd. That's going to open up your command prompt. That would be this right here. Click on that. And let me increase the size of the screen so you can see what I'm doing. All right. So let's follow these steps now. Come back over here. So now we verify that Python is installed. Open the command prompt and type this command, Python hyphen hyphen version. So that's what you have to type. All right. So come over here and type Python. Oops, where is that? Ah, there it is. Okay, type Python space hyphen hyphen version, and you should see your version over there. So in this case, it says 3.11.7 because that's the one I had installed previously a while back. Okay, so this way your Python has been successfully installed. Thank you.